Hello cuties, welcome to my channel. Today we draw a cute cake, so let's call it magical marker. I'm coming!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. People on the bus go up and down, up
Let's start coloring.
and down, all
Pink color,
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
yellow color,
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her house.
blue color,
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck six. Oh, little six. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick
dark blue color,
tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
red color,
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter
Bye
to
bye.
my love,
See you
and
tomorrow
on
with
the
next
way I
video.
dropped it.
If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel.